I want to replace the picture in this monitor with a different picture, and I want to try and do it all within 60 seconds. First of all, I'm going to bring up the dock and bring up the Photos app on the right hand side here, and I've got a few photos. I'm going to click on a photo of myself of a thumbnail that I did some time ago. I'm just going to swipe that away. If I click in the Layer Studio on the right hand side, if I click this button, which is Add Live Filters, that means I can make changes to whatever I do in this layer. And another time, I'm going to move over from blurs, distortions, go down to perspective, and if I simply click in perspective, now if I zoom in, you can see I can get the corners, and with my Apple Pencil, take it up to the computer monitors, and I'm going quite roughly at the minute because now I'm going to zoom in and really try and get more detail with the corners. What's great about Affinity Photo 2 is it comes up a slight preview, so you can really get in more detail. What I would do now is color correct this so it would blend in a bit better. I won't show it here, but it looks something like this, all within 60 seconds on Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad.